Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Boers with the Mike Boers channel. Thank you for watching. Hey, we're talking boats today, and in the event that your outboard is not trimming all the way down, before you get stressed out, I want to show you something that might actually be the culprit and solve your issue. Let's take a look. DIYers, we have made our way to the pontoon boat. On the aft or rear portion of this pontoon is a 40 horsepower 3-cylinder Mariner engine. Let's head there now. To the back of the boat, here's our 40 horsepower 3-cylinder Mariner outboard, and let's head to the trim here on the starboard side. We've got this little lever here we can actually trim down, and you will notice as I push that trim lever or button to the down position, it's going to trim down. However, it gets to a stop and we can't trim it any further. Once it stops making the normal and friendly trim sound and begins making a aggressive sound as shown here, there's the normal, there's the aggressive, stop. Do not continue to try to trim this down. Let's head to our service manual because I want to show you something important. Went ahead and grabbed the service manual, and my dad pointed this out. Coming to number 7, as you can see, tilt up lock pin, and number 7. There it is, and that is the starboard side. If we come over here and come right inside here, we will find that little lock pin right there. And what I'm going to do is trim this up slightly. Come back inside to the lock pin there, and right now I can't pull it. I'll continue trimming up. From there, carefully pull it out as shown here. See that? And ensure it's all the way out. From here, DIYers, we can basically trim it all the way down. As you see, right there. It's not touching. And look at that, some water coming out. So DIYers, that is hopefully your issue. And if it's not, likely you have a weak or needing to be charged battery. Scrolling above right now is a link that talks more about the common causes and troubleshooting of why your outboard or outdrive, in that matter, is not trimming down or up.